Good morning, respected ma'am, and my all dear friends. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts on this special day on very special topic that is Independence Day. Independence Day is a very important date in the Indian history and is the very important day for all the Indians. It is the day when our country finally free from the British rule after nearly 200 years of struggles. This day is celebrated every year as Independence Day to remind us the sacrifice and courage to our great leaders and freedom fighters who fought with the determination and courage to give us the life of dignity and self-respect. Before 1947, Indians are under the control of British. Indians did not have any right or voice in the important decisions. So many brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many others dedicated gives their life to the cause of freedom. Their hard work and sacrifices finally forced the British to leave our country. This day, the significance of this day just goes beyond the celebrating of freedom. It is remind us the sacrifices and struggle made for our independence. For example, Bhagat Singh, he was just only 23 years old when he gave up his life for his nation. Mahatma Gandhi walked miles of hundred of miles during the Dandi March for against the injustice. So, in 1947, 14th August 1947, in the midnight, Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, gave us the speech of his very famous speech, "Tryst with Destiny," and declare India's independence. The next morning, 15th August, he hosted the flag on the Red Fort for the very first time. This movement filled the hearts of millions of Indians with joy, courage, pride, and hope for the better future. Since then, 15th August is celebrated every year across the country. On this day, on Independence Day, in the school, colleges, government offices, and communities organize a flag hosting ceremony and a cultural program and parades. People sing patriotic songs and they make some functions in at the Red Fort. The Prime Minister hosts the flag and addresses the nations and sharing the progress of the country and goal for the future.